I have some news. Vine is back. That's right, Vine is back.
Hey bro, did you hear that Vine's back?
No way. Vine's back? What's it called?
It's called Byte.
Interesting choice of names. Byte is the sequel to Vine, and it's a huge competition to TikTok. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about what is Byte, how it's going to affect TikTok, and how you can use Byte to actually make money. Can Byte be a side hustle? Wow, lots to unwrap today. I'm really excited about this episode, so make sure to stay tuned and watch until the end. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Chris, and welcome back to another episode of the Lifestyle Design Show. #1 place where young adults can learn about entrepreneurship, personal finance, and how they can build a healthy and awesome balanced lifestyle on a budget. We do a lot of stuff here on this channel. So anyways, let's talk about this news. Firstly, what is Byte? Well, Byte is the sequel to Vine, and we all know what Vine was. Vine was an app that died in 2016 that birthed countless memes, countless jokes, and Dom Hoffman, one of the co-creators of Vine, has been looking for a way to bring it back, and Byte is the way that he's doing that. Byte is the sequel to Vine, and it's very similar, using 6-second video clips and post those on Byte's social platform. Okay, so big deal. Vine's back, everybody loved Vine, so everybody should love Byte, right? Like, that's a given. You see, the interesting part to this whole news story is Byte has to face some hefty competition in the form of TikTok. And TikTok is no joke. TikTok is a giant, a $75 billion giant, with a very similar platform and branding. And the thing is with TikTok, is it's very popular right now. Whereas Byte is just being born into the market, TikTok basically owns the market share of attention. So what is TikTok? TikTok is very similar to Vine, except I would say it's a more evolved version. Unlike Vine and Byte, which is 6-second video clips, TikTok videos are usually 15 seconds. You can make less and you can make more. TikTok letting you make up to 60-second video clips. And TikTok is so much more than just a place to share videos. TikTok is a powerful camera with built-in augmented reality features, different filters you can use, and so many other features that allow you to create TikTok masterpieces, if you will. See, TikTok really has an emphasis on the content creation. It's so easy for anyone to just get on the app and just start creating content. And that's what they wanted. That was the intention, to allow a place of creativity and for people to create. And it worked. TikTok has over 1 billion video views every single day over the last year. Not to mention their 500 million active users worldwide. Plus, they have had over 1.5 billion downloads in the App Store, with the average user being on the app for 52 minutes at a time. So with all of that in mind, TikTok really is a behemoth, and Byte is gonna have a lot of catching up to do. So now that you've seen that TikTok is so much more than just the replacement for Vine, TikTok is making a name for itself along with the other social media platforms like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, etc. This app is beginning to age up. So now we have to talk about how people are using TikTok for business, right? And that's the same way that people are gonna start to use Byte for business. Haha, Byte for business. I like the sound of that. Here's the thing with TikTok. It is so young, the organic reach is insane. So people are using this app to get attention. That's the main way that people are building businesses using TikTok, is they're getting an audience on TikTok and they're transferring it to their YouTube, or they're transferring it to their other social media platforms. Now, the other way that people have made money directly on this app is through live streaming, because people can give you donations while you're live streaming. But the problem is you don't make much. And this problem of content creators not making money on the app itself except through donations on live streaming. And again, that's not very profitable. So content creators are getting anxious with TikTok. They're feeling like there's no reason for them to continue on this platform unless there's a way for them to monetize. Well, that's where Byte gets interesting. So how is Byte gonna change that? Well, Dom Hoffman, when asked if you would be able to have ad revenue or monetize on Byte, he said that they're working on a partner program where people that prove popular on Byte would be able to make revenue from their videos. So that in itself is huge because that's something that TikTok and other micro video sharing apps have yet to do. Have my blackberries been in the shot the entire time? Are you serious? Love blackberries. And they were on sale at Lucky's because Lucky's is closing down, which is sad. It's actually really sad. So creators who are feeling frustrated that they aren't bringing in any extra revenue from all their hard work will likely find themselves migrating from apps like TikTok to an app like Byte that does offer that monetary option. So before we go further into detail about Byte and about what this news means for the video sharing apps, let's go ahead and download Byte. Let's see what all the hype's about. Let's just freaking do it. All right, let's download Byte. Yeah! Oh, here it is. You can see it. Bro, it's downloading. I'm excited, but I shouldn't be excited because I'm loyal to TikTok. Am I loyal to TikTok? I don't know anymore. All right, so it's taking a long time to download, probably because the Wi-Fi here isn't the strongest. So while it's downloading, I want to talk a little bit more about the Byte app and some of the differences between Byte and TikTok. So number one, we already mentioned, Byte is only 6 seconds compared to TikTok, which is 15 seconds to 60 seconds. Byte also doesn't have any sort of filters. It doesn't have any augmented reality. It has none of those effects. So you can't make as much masterpieces as you can using TikTok. Byte also does not have a hashtag system at the time of making this video, nor is there a DM system, nor can you share bytes. All you can do is actually download the bytes and send it. So that's a huge hindrance. So right now, Byte seems like it's in its infancy. It's very young and there's a lot of work that needs to be done, but that's not to say that it's not gonna do well, because I feel like this simplicity might be actually something that people like. Maybe this app is just for raw 6-second unedited videos. Let's see, did it download? Oh my God, it downloaded. I didn't need to get that excited, but I did. In loving memory of Jacob Martinen. Wonder who that was. Or I wonder if he was the other Vine founder. Let me look. Jacob Martinen. He was a Vine founder that died. Rest in peace. Oh my God, this is cool looking. It looks cool. I'm gonna sign in with Google, make my username. So classic Chris D'Andrea. Classic. It's Byte time. Let's see. Are these Byte, are they good? Are they funny? Similar to TikTok, there's like categories. All right, so I consumed a little bit of Byte content and that's enough for right now. I'm done. Back to the video. Oh wait, I said that I would make a Byte. I did say that I would do that. So I'm gonna make a Byte real quick. You're gonna watch me make a Byte. YouTubers be like, smash that like button if you haven't done so already. YouTubers be like, smash that like button if you haven't done so already. Yo, seriously though, can you go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't done so already? That'd be dope. I hate Byte already. I hate that I like it. I don't know how I feel right now. That was super weird. Cause here's the thing, I make so much TikTok content. Do you guys think that TikTok's gonna die now that Byte's out? I don't know. I think it's a possibility, but I don't think TikTok's going anywhere. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Oh, there's a cat outside. Hey cat. It comes to the question, will I be posting on Byte? And the thing is I don't know. You have to ask yourself, what would Gary Vee do? And I think Gary Vee would say that it deserves some attention. You know, I think it's different than TikTok. I don't think it's necessarily gonna replace TikTok, and I'm not gonna stop my TikTok strategy because people are building entire businesses using TikTok. But it would be foolish to not incorporate Byte into your social media strategy. I posted another one. I don't like it. I don't like it. I wish that it never came out because I liked having TikTok, and I think that our humor as a society has evolved from Vine to TikTok. But again, I can't deny that Byte offers this huge opportunity that shouldn't be ignored because it's gonna offer such an organic reach, and the fact that you can monetize if you're a popular creator on the app. I mean, that's big news, and that's how you're gonna be able to use Byte as a side hustle and potentially make money from it.
Three days later.
You thought I was gone, but I'm back. So after using Byte now for like 3 days, I can honestly say it's not nearly as good as TikTok. The app is not nearly as in-depth. There's no For You page, so there's no curated videos, which is one of the most popular things about TikTok. So overall, I'm gonna still continue to post occasionally on Byte, but I don't think it's gonna be taking over anytime soon, especially with TikTok already taking the popularity. And I think that TikTok is gonna continue to be the popular video sharing app. I don't think Byte's gonna be taking too much of the competition, at least not yet. So anyways, that's the update. Peace out, hope you guys have a great day.